klik ti wo rai ram ni du kam ni dan hi jantia riwa maya
Jaintia forever, Jaya Jaintia, Jai. Re Jaintia is like Jai Jaintia. Those are the Jaintia Pnar people. God bless you all, man. Hello Meghalayan, hello Pnar, Jaintia people, Khasi people, Garo people. This is your African boy, gabsgabitv. So, kumno pilong paralok. How do you say kumno pilong? How do you say, how are you guys? In Pnar, guys. I want to say hi to Pnar people in their own language, guys. So because today we are reacting to RI JAINTIA, that is a Pnar music video, guys, and official music video of WANSHWA MC.K, guys. So I'm so curious, and you know, I love you all, guys, whether you're from Khasi, Pnar, Garo, as long as you're from Northeast Meghalaya, I'm here for you guys. This channel is only for you all, so make sure to subscribe so that you will get my content, guys. So soon I'm coming to Shillong. We'll enjoy, guys. And by the way, how is the festival going, guys? I heard recently only people were celebrating the Baden Kalam, one of the most Meghalayan and Jaintia Pnar people festival, guys. One of the biggest festival, guys. Hope you enjoy it, guys. Let me know in the comment section, and let's check RI JAINTIA. RI JAINTIA, what does it mean by RI, guys? JAINTIA, I know. JAINTIA are the Pnar people. So let's check it out. Make sure to subscribe now. Stay tuned, guys. Let's go. RI JAINTIA National Council. Kiki Garud, one of the best production out there. Oh, this is their flag. So they have this flag similar to India flag. RI JAINTIA, RI JAINTIA, RI JAINTIA. They are showing the nature, the beauty of Meghalaya, guys. The waterfall, you know how. JAINTIA, I think this is the JAINTIA.
Kynthai cenrang nei bagari wa miat tor tia ceprang wa yang nang ba klawat kari den kejat yang u bodiki yang na inang waring bajak kamram yang ibu mek pemsari tidur stur pada jenguk duri kilom kiwa dapan sidur mansen mayari dan meling iki kat wada jod lor ni pitch ni cewan maai menreki kon kari lada kuti kam ni dan hi.
Damn, guys, this guy just killing, man. Wait, guys, wait. Honestly, guys, I don't understand the Pnar language, but this guy just amused me. He really impressed me, guys. Oh my gosh, what is his name, guys? Is this WANSHWA or this is MC.K, guys? These guys, he just kill it, man. Wow, I don't know how to express my feeling, but this guy, I feel like he's rapping even in English. Like the Pnar language, is he singing in Pnar or is that Khasi? It just sounds so good, man. It sounds good, and honestly, this guy's professional. I don't need to understand the language because from the way he's rapping, the flow, the beat, man, the guy just kill it. I just love this part only, guys. I just love it. I love it so much, and let me not waste it. I will tell you more at the end of the music video how this guy just pull out, man. Let's continue. RI JAINTIA. I hope he's going to sing again at the end. Men sen jongrang ham ten ham re la da ka wa ka ste ha ma ran tma yen da chen ra ne pa ka ri
Kynthai cenderang
Khasi This guy is singing in volcanic, man. Kari. He's telling even if there is fire, we'll still sing for you. Nothing gonna stop us at all. This is the guy who is taking the chorus. Jaintia forever, Jaya Jaintia, Jai. RI JAINTIA is like Jai Jaintia. Those are the Jaintia Pnar people. God bless you all, man. RI JAINTIA forever will be Jaintia forever, and nothing will stop them. Jai Jaintia, what amazing music today I watched, guys. This is quality. This is something big, guys. I really love it. I really love it, guys. I think I would have been dancing if subtitle was here. But you know, it's just something quality. It was suggested music video, guys. And you know what, the Jaintia people, I wasn't thinking they will be also that much talented. I was just mind blowing only by Khasi people, but I came to find out those guys, all of them, were the Jaintia, Pnar, Garo people. They are all talented, man. They are very talented. Now I got my favorite rapper from Jaintia, man. This is now my favorite. Guys, I need you to let me know the second guy who was rapping, man. He's my favorite. Let me know his name, guys. I want to know his name, because if I go to Jaintia Hill or to Meghalaya, if someone will ask me who is your favorite singer or rapper from the Jaintia, I'll definitely mention this guy who was rapping. He just killed everything. I loved the way he was singing. And the song overall, guys, it was so amazing. And this is kind of an inspiring song, since they were showing the land, guys. I'm pretty sure they were speaking of their pride and how happy they are as Jaintia, how proud they are for their own land, for the Meghalaya in general, guys. This is so amazing. And you can let me know deeply, like briefly also, about the music video, because subtitle wasn't there. And just let me know more about this guy. God bless you all, the Jaintia, Pnar, Garo, Meghalaya in general, guys. Khasi people, love you so much. Love from Africa, guys. RI JAINTIA, guys. Jaintia forever. Make sure to comment, guys. Comment below and subscribe to my channel, because soon I'm coming to see you, Meghalaya. Thank you. Love from Africa. Bamba Club.